a warm welcome to everyone across the globe. We should be underway very shortly. The players will be with us any time now. I'm Peter Drury, and seated in the experts' hot seat is our man Jim Beglin.
Glad to be here, Peter, and I'm ready to rumble.
We have already started here. And it's Barnes. Gray passes it through. Brady looking to get on the end of this. Brady. Hasebe. Nasri plays it forward. Dinks one in. He's left his man. He's had a shot! Boyd. Dashing forward at pace. Looking to get within range. Hits one!
Oh, it's die-hard defence and the willingness to put his body on the line. Very impressive.
Nasri battles to win it back. Welbeck. Now it's Welbeck. And Nasri! He's done very well to get to that.
Well, as tests go, Peter, the keeper has just received an A+ grade. Look, if ever there was a declaration of intent, we're watching it.
Hasebe proving impossible to wrestle off the ball. So what now? Welbeck shoots! And the follow-up. Welbeck decides he'll have a go. He's got away with one there.
Hasebe can take all the credit for reading the situation, but careless defence played its part.
He's gone for it! Great challenge. Nolito has a go! Oh, that's an own goal!
Well, that wasn't in the script, and you have to feel for him, Peter. It's ended in some embarrassment.
Fortuitous as it may have been, they all count one. And it's Gray. Out to the flank. He's gone for it! It's come out to him, and no mistake! Muslera did well the first time, nothing he could do about the follow-up.
Oh, look, there's only one player who merits all the praise for that. Not only did he finish it, but his instincts for being where he was are absolutely top-notch.
And that has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Yeah, it's always a dangerous time when you've just scored. You can easily lose focus and then bang, you're pegged back again.
And it's Barnes. Looks to slip it through, out wide to the right. Tries a through ball.
Yeah, he was under pressure to get that exactly right, and he couldn't even think of the consequences. It was instinctive and rock solid.
And it's Gray. Looks like a good ball through. Chance! Gray! And that really should have hit the net.
Well, talking about a man on a mission, that was a super effort.
Here it is now, surely! Plenty of appeals, but the referee is not interested. Over to the left. He's got away. Oh, glorious footwork! The defence got the better of him this time, but I'm sure he'll go again. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Gets it back, forward it goes. And it's Barnes. Hasebe. Hasebe. Shot a goal! It's and in again! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
More than happy to take the muscular approach. Big chance! He's tried one. Oh, great save, real class.
Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class wage.
And it's Hasebe. He's had a go! Forward tracking back like that, always appreciated by the crowd.
You have to admire commitment like that, because he could easily ignore that and just kind of walk around and let others do all the chasing, but instead he looks as if he relishes the chance to dig in for his team here.
Boyd. Barnes. Well, the ball's come loose and the chase is on. And that is going to be the final action of the first half. Genuinely interesting game here, very, very watchable. 2 goals. 1 each. So in they come for the break with nothing to separate them. The score 1-1. Galatasaray kick off the second half.
Galatasaray clearly have been the better side for me. Yeah, I know the score doesn't quite reflect it, but if they go about their game in the same manner as the opening 45 minutes, things really should improve. Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
And he's made certain that won't get through. Defour tries to get it forward quickly. Just brushed off the ball there. Nolito, now the pass. Great ball, and now the shot. He'll have a dip. Marvellous goal.
Well, that's what top players do. They can seize the initiative almost single-handedly, and that goal eases them in front once more to make this second half look a little more promising.
Well, he was never going to miss from there. So much to aim at.
Yeah, and teamwork was key to that. A beautiful piece of engineering to set him free in the box.
Hits one! Oh, surely that deserved better.
It didn't quite come off on this occasion, but it only needs a gentle tweak.
Fabinho. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Clears it out of harm's way. They get a throw in. Aimed long and direct. And it's Fabinho. Has a look and has a go. That was mighty close. It so nearly came off for him.
Yeah, and you can hear how the crowd are reacting to this too.
Hasebe. He's left his man. Belts one. Good stop, that wasn't easy.
Well, what can I say? Truly wonderful goalkeeping.
Good defending, albeit from an unexpected source.
I think it's great to see that kind of application and desire from a forward who wants to help out his defence. I think, you know, any good team, really, your striker should be the first line of that defence, and he's delivering.
Looks to clip it forward.
That's what has to be done now, no question about it.
Well, hit and hope is just about the sum of it, isn't it, Jim?
Spot on, Peter. actually not getting too tight, which is interesting.
No.
It's probably cautionary. Don't dive in, try to pinch it or intercept so nobody can get in behind.
Gray! And he's there to make a great save.
The keeper really dug out his defence then, a magnificent effort.
To 4. Can he put it away?
That's great defending to cover for the goalkeeper and just get something in the way.
All the way back and they start again. Gets it upfield. Ball needed to be better there, it's a wasted chance. Tries a through ball. The shot's on! They've scored! A 2-goal lead and they're firmly in control. The movement so precise, the finish sumptuous.
Are such an adept counter-attacking team. They produced something out of nothing there. A few seconds was all it took for them to convert a defensive situation into a goal, and it's very impressive.
Galatasaray take a 2-goal lead and are looking good for the win. Can't get the better of his opposite number. Malito goes up and over. Keeper goes long. Just brushed off the ball there. Throwing. Welbeck looking as though he's being given special treatment here. Little doubt, that is a foul. So not long left in this now. And it's Nasri. And Nasri! And that would have won it.
He'll be fuming with himself for not converting. He could have killed it off.
Breaks on here. Big chance, must be! It could be, has a hit! He can pounce on that. More and more and more and more! They are running riot! And the lead is 3! It is surely done! He was really quick to react to the initial save, and he has his reward.
Yeah, his instinct told him that the keeper would struggle to cope with that, so top marks for him following up. I think it's really sharp play, it was well read, and he was a little quicker than everybody else.
Galatasaray grab a 3-goal lead. It's just too easy. So that's it. It is all over. Galatasaray have done it again. Another step towards glory. Still a fair way to go. Well, after all of that, Jim, what are you thinking?
You